difference between an eared seal and a true seal is going to be how they move through the water. So I want every single person here to put their arms up to the side, just like this. I want to see everyone do it. All right, now flip them up and down, just like a bird. Beautiful job, everyone. Now you guys look like a whole bunch of sea lions. Please, those big front flippers to propel themselves into the water. Get all that speed and momentum. While those back flippers are used for direction and rotation. Now, true seals have a complete opposite manner. So they have short little stubby flippers in the front just like this, and these are used for direction and rotation, while those back flippers are used for all their speed. Now, the third and final difference between an eared seal and a true seal is going to be how they move on land. So eared seals have what's called a rotating hind hip bone. So when they are on land, they tuck those back flippers underneath them, and then they walk on all fours, just like a dog. So they can walk, run, jump, dance, and all sorts of things thanks to that rotating hind hip bone. Nice dance moves, ladies. Now true seals, they have a fused hind hip bone. So when they are on land, they can't tuck those back flippers underneath them. So they just stay nice and flat and inch around like a little inchworm to be mobile. Very, very good. Let's see if we can get a sea lion for seal impression. There we go. From Miss Leona Kai. Very, very nice. Making fun of their cousins. Now, you guys are probably wondering right now, why on earth would we train our sea lions? Why would we want any of these behaviors? And there's actually two reasons. And the first is the most important. And that's going to be for their health care, or what we call their husbandry care. Now, how many pet owners do I have in the audience today? It would be a dog, cat, a bird. Oh, a lot of you. Awesome. Now, how stressful is it to get that pet to the vet? They are probably not very happy. They're like, I know what happens at the vet, so I'm not going. Well, here at Sea Life Park, we train them when that vet visit arrives. It's actually a very rewarding and reinforcing experience for them. And then they even get to participate in their own health care. It is really cool. Whether it be a voluntary eye drop, a daily physical exam, or even an oral exam to check out those little teeth, just like that. These are all really good behaviors for us to get a big picture of their health, so we can make sure they're going to be okay all the time. Now, the second reason why we train here is for when entertainment and education can actually come hand in hand. So all these behaviors you guys are witnessing today is keeping them very mentally and physically fit, which is really important for their health. Because, just like you and me, we have to keep moving, keep exercising to stay nice and healthy. Well, same for these girls. And now that we have all these wonderful behaviors, we can do shows just like this one to teach and inspire all of you about the mammals that call Sea Life Park their home. Alright, now you guys are probably now wondering, well, how do we train them? How do we get them to do any of these things? Well, we actually use the principle of operant conditioning, very positive reinforcement. And all that means is anytime they do behavior correctly, they're going to get a reward. Now, what do you think is rewarding to these girls? Fish, that's right. Fish is their favorite thing in the entire world. And each of these girls are getting 13 pounds of fish every single day. Now, that is a lot of fish to fit in your belly. I would get full after 13 pounds of fish. So we have to get creative on how to reinforce them when they're not in a hungry mood. So we can use things like your favorite toy, ice cubes, a belly rub, a back scratch, anything to let them know you are doing an amazing job. Keep up that good work. Now these girls learn brand new behaviors in 3 different ways. The first is called mimicry, then there's capturing and shaping. I'll go with mimicry first. Mimicry just means to copycat, right? I'm sure every single one of you has learned something new just from watching someone do it first, right? Well, sea lions do the exact same thing, and a great example is when a baby sea lion is watching its mother in the wild, doing all sorts of beneficial behaviors so that they can one day survive the ocean on their own. Now, a really important question for you guys. do is super simple. Just stick out your thumb like this and say the word tongue at the same time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tongue. Perfect. All right, my group's right here. Do you guys want to see her salute behavior? Yeah? All right, so what you guys have to do is put your right arm out to the side, just like this. And put it up to your forehead and say the word salute at the same time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Salute. Perfect. My third group. Do you guys want to see her hula impression? You guys are going to dance with me today, right? Perfect. Perfect. So what you guys have to do is put your right arm out like this. Now float that hand down, bring it in a circle and say hula. Awesome, awesome. All right, you guys right here. Do you guys want to see her big, scary? Now, see all the big teeth in there? Awesome. So what you guys have to do is put your right arm out like this, pinch your fingers together. Now open up that hand and say the word open at the same time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Open. Perfect. Now that we have all of our groups, we have all of our behaviors. The last thing we need now is a sea lion. All right, we're going to get her nice and set up over here. Let's do our first group. Right here, what are we doing? What are we doing? We're saying our big little tongues. All right, make those thumbs right on the count of 3. All right, guys, ready for this? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tongue. Look at that.